This is why we love XploPhond books, because we can find you really interesting, beautiful books, beautifully made, and this one with sound effects. Look, kitty, kitty cat. Oh, so little ones are going to love this. That's definitely one of our favourites. Oh, don't you just love a magic wand sound? And how does a broomstick? The broomstick! Let's play that one again. Oh, yeah. Oh, isn't it wonderful? Well, we won't give it all away because it is The Room on the Broom sound book by Julie Donaldson with the Axel Scheffler illustration. Absolutely fabulous. It was published at £12.99.